Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove blank rows in Power Query. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet and here you can see I have data. So in this data I have some blank rows. Okay, to remove it, first you need to convert this data in table to load in Power Query. Okay, so simply select the data. I just drag the mouse and select here entire data, then press the Ctrl T to convert this data into table. And here you can see one small dialog box is open to create table. Simply click on OK and that's it. Your data is converted into table. Okay. Now just simply select the entire data again and go to the data tab. In get and transform data, click on the get data option. Then click on the from other sources and then click on the from table or range. Okay. And here you can see the Power Query editor will open. Okay. Now, so if your blank rows have all empty columns, so you need to select the full data. To select the full data, simply select the any cell inside your table and you can press here the Ctrl A to select the entire data. Okay. Then go to the Home tab. In Reduce Rows group, click on the Remove Rows drop down arrow. Then click on the remove blank rows and that's it. Here you can see your Power Query will remove all rows where the every column is blank. Okay. So that's it. You can just load back to the Excel. Click on the Home tab and click on the Close and Load option. Close and load and here you can see your data in your Excel. Okay. After remove the rows. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.